Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink, and also you guys will create another type of backlink in this site. So the website name is carlote.bibblelife.com. So this is a website dashboard. So before I started, we can discuss something about that website, and another thing also, this website is highly related for the local news. So if you are working or if you are a business around news or any something, so you can consider this website for the backlinking. So according to Acharyaf, the domain rating is 72, and according to SimilarWeb, this website driving 30.5k total visitors, and the mostly traffic from USA, India, Pakistan, UK, and the Thailand. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, to you guys can must create your backlink on that website. So, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 55 and the spam score is only 1%. So everything is perfect. So you can create your backlink on that website. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is a website dashboard, and you can see in the menu section, in the right bar menu section, there is a sign up button. You can click over there. There you guys will add your email address. You can acknowledge the checkbox. There you guys will add your company name, DML training, and you can click to the get your free account. So you guys can see our account is created. These things might take a couple of seconds, so you can wait, and after that this website can send you a verification email, so we can check our email box. So you guys can see I received a verification email. So you can click on the click to continue, and after that you guys will redirect on that interface. So there you guys will add your business name. It's already filled. In the description section, there you guys can add your company descriptions. I have already generated these things, so you can generate your description. For the description, you can consider your services, your founding year, your company founder, and another key points of your company you can include in the description. So after that, you can add your category, choose your category. So the category is local services, education, yeah, okay. Subcategory is college and the university, private tour. And there you guys can add your main keywords. So SEO, digital marketing, backlinks, and in the website section, there you guys can add your website URL. So there you can add your addresses. So I have addresses. So there you can add your address, New Delhi. You can select your state. There you can add your first name, who is managing this business, and after that you can select your metro area. So you can select anything if you are related, so you can choose a perfect one. After that, you can click on the submit button. These things might take couple of seconds. So choose the community for the first directory entry. See the list of category. So you can see this is a pop-up message. You can click on the continue to your consent site. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and this is your company description and everything about your company. This is your website URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. Sorry, it's a no follow backlink. There is indication for the no follow. So after that, what you guys will do next? So there is tools, post articles. So you can also post your article on that site. So you can see there is a post article button. You can click over there. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients, and you guys are able to post your article on that site. So in the subject section you can select your subject. So backlinks. Yeah, and the subject section, there you guys can add your main title, your article title. So I can copy the website title. I have already published this content, so I can go to copy this content throughout my website, because right now I don't have a fresh article, so that's why I'm copying this. But the your case, you can consider generate a fresh article, then you guys can publish your article on that site. So this is a best practice. Only I'm doing these things for the video creation because I don't have much more time, so that's why. So you guys can see all the things I have added. So if you're wanting to add any hyperlink or any specific keyword, so you can select your keyword and you can make it hyperlink. So you can see there is a URL button. You can click over there, and you guys can add your website URL, and you can click on the insert button. If you wanting, so you can make it bold, so it should be visible for the users. And once you guys can complete these things, then after that you can add your banner image. Since then you can add your author name, say, then after that you can click on the publish button. So you guys can wait a couple of seconds, then after that you guys are able to get your landing page article landing page URL. So want to get the status community, please recommend the communities where you would like to post describe. So not here. Share with the community. So after that, click here to get started. So this is your community specific landing page URL. So there you guys will post or any update, any things about the news or about your company. So you guys can see we have almost published our article on that site, on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your site. So you can see this is your article landing page URL, and this is everything about your article, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% no follow backlink, but the thing is we are able to publish our article on that site. And the another thing, this site is related for the news industry, so you can create your quality backlinks, you can grab traffic and the brand building from with the help of this site, and where this site are having traffic for the which specific country. So this is process for the backlinking on that site. So okay, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. Bye bye and take care.